House, and today I'm with Mama Mia. We're going to do a challenge for you guys again. So today we're going to do the Chubby Bunny challenge. I told Mom the rules and everything. We just got the generic Walmart brand marshmallows. And then, so I told her everything. So I guess let's get started. Okay.
Chubby Bunny.
Okay, not yet, no. So put one in your hand, and then on the count of 3, we're gonna go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. You're supposed to be saying Chubby Bunny. Say Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Say it.
Ma'am.
You didn't even say Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I had 8. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
They're all mashed together. Round 2?
Round 2.
Yeah. I'm gonna go limbo. 1, 2, go.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. I got a strategy.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. I'll go.
I'm done. Say Chubby Bunny.
I won.
Congratulations.
Ew. Wait.
So,
I won.
I'm out. It's been real.
I do my outro. Had to write it down just in case I forgot. If you like this video, smack that like button. Like seeing my face? Because you know you do. Hit that subscribe button. Grandma, shut up. Okay, we're gonna restart. Okay. If you like that video, smack that like button. Like see my face, because you know you do. Hit that subscribe button. Have something to say? Go ahead and leave a comment. Me, Mom, and I's Twitter are in the description, along with my Instagram. Peace out!